I'm Kayla Jenkins with RE/MAX Fort McMurray, and welcome to Parsons North. There are plenty of landscape trails to explore, great kids playgrounds to experience, and it has one of the coolest kids skate parks in town. My newest listing at 121 Furber Street is in the heart of it all. This home is newly built and absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look inside. For more information and photos, click the link in the description. If this home has made you fall in love, then reach out. I'd be happy to tour you around.